I'm doing something different that is not in the book, and it will help a lot of you. Now, in this situation, this is actually where the opener will push the door open. However, I am going to use the pull arm. The pull arm works very nicely because the push arm puts all the pressure on a small area, whereas with the pull arm, our area is spread. And that's really important with hollow body doors, light body doors. But it's dependent on a couple of things. Now, the most important thing is the jam depth. And this door really is at the limit. Your jam depth with the door closed from the surface of the door to the back of the mounting plate has to be within reason. Now, if we take a look at this tape measure, that is our limit, because my arm out here is all the way to the edge. At that point, I can't even put the end cap on. The guide block will push the end cap off. So, in doing this, you want to install your arm first. Then add your track. And I always go with that middle screw first, and I'll shoot a line. It should be level. However, there's some of these doors, especially aluminum storefronts, doors that take a lot of abuse. They swing uphill, they swing downhill. I've seen it all. So that's why I always do the middle screw first. I won't even tighten these, and I'll manually open the door, and that guide block will ride that track to the appropriate angle. Now, the other fortunate thing about this arm, the guide block, it's got a lot of play. There's a 1/4 of an inch, and that is really helpful too. I really appreciate the design of this arm. I just wish it was a little longer. If this track was longer, we could accommodate a much greater jam depth. However, we're limited. Now, it does work perfect. Before I give it a nudge, I do have my stop in here, and that keeps the arm from running off the end of the track. And it works nicely, very nicely. A slight nudge, and I've exceeded 90 opening, and it's not really a problem here. But in doing this, like I say, the jam depth is a major factor, because your arm cannot extend past the end of the track. And you know, I don't have enough room for the end cap on this particular one. So again, now, just to reiterate, you're limited to that jam depth. And that's fine for most commercial doors and most residential doors. However, I've been around doors that have 15 inches on this dimension. So with that, give this a shot. It'll work for you. Thanks. Have a good day. Bye.